Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about how to schedule a Facebook page post using the publishing tools. So in this particular video we will discuss about how to schedule a post to Facebook Facebook page using the publishing tools. So first open your Facebook page. So here I am opening the RV Tech Facebook page. So then you can find the publishing tools option at this particular bar. So otherwise you can click the more button and you can go to the publishing tools. So at this publishing tools, here you can find the button to create the new post. Just click that button. In this you have to enter your test image and the link. So as you are publishing the post to your Facebook page. Here I am giving the interesting video. Video from Architect channel, and I'm directly giving the my YouTube video link. So the post will be like this. So I'm not adding any emails. So interesting video from Architect channel. So this one. So here you can find the link. So if you directly click the share now button now, so the post will be published immediately. So here we have to schedule the post. That's why here we have to click here. You can find the drop down. So just click on that. So here you can find the button. So schedule. Just you have to click that button. So and then here you have to come to here you have to select the date. So here I am publishing today itself. So and I am publishing this post around 8:27 a.m. So just you have to select your timings, and just here you have to click the schedule. Here you have to choose the time. So yeah, at which date you want to publish, and in that day, so at which time you want to schedule. Okay, so I mean publish. So, okay, so then you have to click the schedule button. So that's all, your post will be scheduled to that particular post at that particular time. So if you go to that particular time to your Facebook page, you can find your post so at that particular time on your Facebook page. So just here you have to click the schedule. So the post is updating and it is published. Now we will go to the page. Guys, here you can find this page as one scheduled post. So the post will be published at today at 8:27 a.m. So this is, guys, so in this way you can schedule the post on your Facebook page using the publishing tools. So guys, this is very simple process. So I hope this particular video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.